Install the transmission mount bracket. Then loosely install the new bolts and nuts. Install the ground cable terminal bracket. Remove the engine support hanger and the engine hanger adapter. Remove the universal lifting eyelet and the spacer. Loosen the side engine mount or bracket nuts, then retighten it. Tighten the bolts and nuts of the transmission mount bracket. Tighten the bolt and nut of the torque rod. Install 6 drive plate bolts at the opening of the starter while rotating the engine crankshaft pulley. Install the starter. Install the hose clamp to the clamp bracket. Secure the shift cable holder on the transmission with the bolts. Install the clamp bracket. Apply molybdenum grease to the hole in the shift cable end collar. Attach the shift cable end to the selector control lever. Insert the control pin. Insert the lock pin through the control pin hole. Install the harness cover to the clamp bracket and install the harness holder on the clamp bracket. And the vehicle speed sensor 3P connector. Connect the transmission range switch 8P connector, the CVT output shaft speed sensor 3P connector. Install the clamp bracket, and then install the harness holder on the clamp bracket. Connect the solenoid wire harness 8P connector and the CVT input shaft speed sensor 3P connector. Connect the IMA motor power cable connector. Install the IMA motor power cable clamp on the clamp bracket.